Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LIBE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Absolutely chaotic day to day. Price all over the place with the news and the just a typical just a typical day in the world of penny stocks. But definitely some things need to be pointed out here and updated. The first key thing that really stands out, and from anybody that uses charts, you probably know exactly what I'm going to talk about here. But I mean, what a coincidence, right where the price finally decided to bounce from. That pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very, very famous 200 period simple moving average. Now, even if you have a very basic or surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay above it. So to give credit where credit's due, even though it was a very crazy day and ultimately closed in the red, it was very nice to see that the price was able to hold up above that level. Whereas had the price just kept on falling and getting to that level, and then gone to 0003, 0002, and just sliced down through that level, that would have been a massive red flag there. So good to see that the price was at least able to bounce above there. And that now remains the level that, like I said, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. I mean, it's a very famous level in the world, within the world of charts. So my point is that there's going to be a whole lot of eyeballs watching that 200 period, which again valued at 0004 right now, going forward, in terms of whether or not the price is going to be able to hold above that level, or if the price is sinking back below it. And the other reason why sinking back below it is definitely not a good thing from just a simple kind of logistics point of view, is if the price were to go down to that pink line and then continue on down, at that point that would literally be putting the price right back to where it started. Not to insult anyone's intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they started, not exactly any sort of sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But as of now, again, like I said, the price is holding up above that level. So keep a very, very close eye on 0004. So for that reason, I'll just move that green line there to help kind of represent where that level's at. As far as levels of where that level of support is. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the near term, 0012, and you still have that 0018 mark up there. But at this point, in my opinion, at least, top priority has nothing to do with really breaking levels of resistance, but it's more so all about trying to consolidate out and ensuring that the price doesn't literally drop right back to where it started. So keep a close eye on 0004. Good news is the week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.